Layn Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. If you want to learn everything there is about business credit, personal credit, business auto loans, personal auto loans, business funding, secured loans, secured business loans, secured credit cards, personal secured credit cards, and just high net worth cards and luxury credit cards, like for example American Express or Black cards. If you want to learn everything there is about credit, how to build your credit, how to get a high credit score, how to get that 800 value score you want, how to build up your FICO score and your value score. If you want to learn everything there is about credit, look no further. Subscribe, follow the link below, look at my Layn Credit University playlist that's absolutely free in the video description below, and take some time and I go through everything from A to Z on how to get a home loan, how to get your credit card, how to get your credit right, how to go through chapter 7 personal bankruptcy, chapter 11 bankruptcy. If you want to learn everything there is about building your credit, if you have good credit, bad credit, or no credit, if you're trying to build credit for your children, for yourself, doesn't matter what the case and what age you are, learn and don't look any further. Subscribe to Conrad Layn's channel, Layn Credit University, video description below, absolutely free Layn playlist below, and I have thousands of videos here. Let's get to learn it. Let's graduate our life. Conrad out.